If you've been tracking your fitness for years, you know that simply knowing your weight isn't enough. The number on the scale is just one data point, and frankly, it can be misleading. We've all been there. You feel stronger, you're eating better, but the scale hasn't moved an inch, leaving you frustrated and confused about what actually works. This scale changes how you approach body metrics. Before this, I was relying on basic bathroom scales, which only gave me a single number. I'd get a reading, and then I was left guessing about what that really meant for my overall health. I remember standing on those old scales, feeling frustrated because the weight was stable, but I knew deep down I was making improvements to my muscle tone and overall composition. I needed something that could give me a deeper look into what was actually happening beneath the surface, something that went beyond just pounds and ounces. What really stands out about the RunStar scale is the sheer amount of data it pulls. It measures 22 essential body composition metrics, not just weight. You get metrics like muscle mass, body fat rate, and even heart rate, all displayed on this large screen in seconds. It's like having a mini diagnostic center right in your bathroom. And the accuracy is noteworthy. It measures to 0.1 pounds, which is crucial when you're trying to make tiny, incremental changes to your diet or routine. I used to look at premium models, and those often cost over $150, but this one delivers comparable data for a fraction of the cost. If you want this level of detail, you won't find a better value. If I had to name one drawback, it's that the initial setup process takes a few minutes to sync everything to the app. Picture this, it's Saturday morning. You step on the scale, and the display instantly shows you your body fat percentage, your BMI, and your muscle mass, all without needing your phone nearby. You glance at the numbers, feeling empowered because you finally understand exactly where your effort is paying off. It's a powerful moment of self-assessment that motivates you to keep going. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.